lads, we're on our way to go and check up on Frank because he is on his way to Coldo right now and his car broke down. Apparently he's like stuck on the side of the road. His car is just not moving, but we'll see what we can do. You never know, we might have to help him out and maybe buy him a new vehicle or something, I don't know. How are we looking?
Yeah, not too good here.
Oh, it's because your blooming reverberator is not even connected to the upper hand left level, bro. Yeah, hit us with it. That sounds like a flat battery.
Just as I was going to drink.
For a positive aspect, team, what a beautiful space.
I didn't even come here to help. They just come to film me fucking struggle.
Yes, sir. Oh my god. What are you doing?
Shit.
I sold some tickets to come see my downfall. It sold out in minutes. I saw friends in the front row. They'll leave when I'm finished. And the light in my name's gone. Cause the ones who gas you up only come around when the
Happy birthday. Ready?
Alright, let's go.
Leave my
I'm gonna cut it right on the tip of it.
Yo, boys, like I'm trying to warm up the good old VB because it's Josh's 22nd birthday, man. You're lucky I went onto the vinyl, eh? Alright, happy birthday, Josh. Alright. Hold it downwards when you pop it, so the air bubbles up there. Ooh. You gotta do another one. That was aggressive. That was aggressive, man.
Keep slicing my lip.
Maybe don't slice your lip, dude. Oh shit, yeah, you actually do your bleeding, bro. Hey, but yo, I give him props for doing 2 shotguns in a row, though. Like, just straight off the bat. But yo, man, hey, clean this up, dude. Oh, we got the virgins on the shotties tonight, yo. I'm taking everyone's shotgun virginity, it's crazy. You want to crack it like that, so you want to stab the hole right here.
Fuck me, son.
Yeah, wrap the lip.
This was Johnny's shotgun. Dude didn't even get to crack the top, so there was no airflow.
Weak. No, get fucked.
No, I'm not stoked about it.
You're not stoked about?
Not that stoked.
I'm not stoked about your shotgun either, man. This is your first shotgun.
I think
You
we
did
need.
terribly, Johnny.
I think we just need a bit of redemption, mate.
You got this, bro. This time, you've actually got this.
Get him.
All right.
It better not fucking spray at me again.
Oh my God!
Save it.
You have to right now. Floss up.
suck
You
it.
gotta do it. Yes, sir. Floss.
We're fully stoked now, you know. Gotta do it for the
Fully stoked.
full send, you know. For the vlog. Nothing.
You did well, bro. You did well. But hold it that way so the air bubble's up there.
Sorry,
Oh, you can hold it over there, actually. Hold for it. More.
Up.
Alright, send it.
Up.
How does that happen? Yo, Mackay, clean up your mess. Woman.
Anytime versus fucking stoked. Let's go, baby.
Honourable moment, we've got the shotties. Cool crack. Boys always want to do shotties, you know? Cheers to that one. Cheers, fucking send it, boys.
You were a child, crawling on your knees toward it, making mama so proud, but your voice is too loud.
Get the merch. It'll be in the link
Ronan Apaapa, creator and founder of Stoked. Now I'm not here to sell you on Stoked, I'm here to tell you why you need Stoked. Family, friendly, brand, looking to strive for nothing but positivity. But don't take it from me, our leading salesman in the industry will tell you all about it.
Hi, I'm Frank Fralbin. I'm Stoked.com. Hi, I'm Stoked.com and visit Frank Melbourne. Hi, Stoked.com. Hi, I'm Frank Melbourne. Visit Stoked.com and cop yourself some drip from one of New Zealand's biggest brands, or I'll come to you personally and rip your...
And that was our top salesman. Visit Stoked.com, link in description, and you can be part of one of New Zealand's biggest brands.